A heat pump heating system consists of the heat source system, the heat pump itself, and a heat distribution and storage system. Within the closed circuit of the heat pump, the refrigerant is responsible for transferring and transporting the heat. The actual heat gain from the environment takes place in the heat pump's evaporator. This is where the liquid refrigerant comes into play, which boils and evaporates even in sub-zero temperatures, thus storing the generated energy. The volume of the refrigerant, now in gaseous form, is then reduced in the secondary compressor. When the refrigerant is compressed, the pressure increases significantly, thus also increasing the temperature of the refrigerant. The heated refrigerant then flows on to the liquefier, a heat exchanger in which the heat extracted from the environment is transferred to the heating system. Thanks to a cooling process, the refrigerant now returns to liquid form, and, after the expansion valve has caused a reduction in pressure and temperature, it can once again absorb heat from the environment. And so, the ingenious cycle begins once again.